see, ain't no seats in here at all. Harness bar is in, y'all. Hellcat is nasty, bro. These look straight. Low-key want to sit in here, but I wait to see when this car done. I ain't gonna lie, these two cars, these two, we got a lot of smoke to get after this season because a lot of people hating and talking crazy. So the motor is in here, the trans, everything is in here besides the blower. So what's the deal, gang? It's your boy Tez, right back with another vlog. After all these months of no car content, your boy is finally back, man. We chilling in the crib right now, but in about 10-15 minutes we finna get up out of here. Realistically, I want to say 30, because y'all know I take forever doing everything. I still got to get in the shower and all that, but y'all see the title and thumbnail, man. Today might be the last update on my ZL1 until the car is done. I didn't want to keep giving y'all a whole bunch of videos. Oh, update 23, update 56. I didn't want to give y'all a million updates on the car every other week until the car was done. And that's why if y'all see, I haven't dropped no content in a while, y'all, really, because I really just didn't want to give y'all pointless content, you feel me? Like I was mentioning, y'all, we just a vlog away from picking the car up. I think this gonna be my only vlog I'm gonna do until the car is ready. Just because I gotta do a few more updates before the car is done. Y'all can see we got all of these fucking boxes. So before we even load these up, I'm gonna show y'all all of these parts just so y'all can see what we finna be doing today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different boxes, y'all. All for the ZL1, y'all. I'm gonna have to blur some of this out because of the address, but yeah, so hopefully if I show y'all this one box, y'all will be able to guess what's all going on and what I'm doing. So y'all see, hopefully I get the hint. If not, I'm gonna make y'all wait, and y'all gonna have to just see when we get to the shop where the Z is at, because yeah, me and my boy CJ finna be installing this. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy CJ because he always come in clutch, man. If y'all been here from day one, y'all always see CJ help me with a lot with my car. So huge shout out to CJ. And huge shout out to Key, because Key finna take me up there to the shop. I would have had to drive one of my cars, and I honestly don't feel like driving, y'all. All I do is drive because I work on cars. So all of these boxes finna fit in his car, y'all. I don't know how it was gonna happen, but we gotta make this work because I'm not taking 2 cars and I'm not taking double trips. I want to get everything up there today, and I want to have all of this in the car. Feel me? That way the car is ready by Friday or Monday by the latest. I didn't even want to give y'all an exact day, but I don't know the exact day right now for sure until we get to the shop. So it could be ready Thursday, Friday, even maybe this weekend on a Saturday if Ed let me pick it up. So just with me showing y'all them seatbelts, I hope y'all understand what's going on, because yeah, I made a big commitment, y'all. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it. Yeah, that's really just telling all right there. So y'all should be able to know. If y'all don't know, y'all just stupid. Yeah, this is a commitment I made because it's like, after time went by, after waiting on a car, y'all, I just said, fuck it, I'm just gonna go all in because I don't want to halfway do something. Y'all know me, if I do something, I gotta go all the way. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this, y'all. I ended up getting rid of my OEM seats, but I'm gonna just show y'all the car, and we can talk about that later once my boy Kiki here. For right now, I'm finna jump in the shower real quick. I'm finna change, so whenever he get here, we can just skate. I'm gonna just see y'all there, man. Y'all know I don't like to talk y'all ears off. He talking about he haven't cleaned it in forever, and dog, you can tell this bitch definitely need a wash. Look at how dirty. You want a dirty scat? I was just gonna say, bro, a dirty scat. That's that typical scat owner shit. So we got all the packages out here. I had to take some out the boxes because it wasn't gonna be enough room. So I'm gonna have to do the same with this because this big box definitely not fitting in there. So I'm about to put all this in there, take the seat out, and then we finna load up and we finna get up out of here.
2,000 years later.
Let me know if you need to. As far as I can go? Yeah, right there. Bet, say less. And it's staying with Daytona Key. Y'all go follow my boy on the gram, man. Turn my boy page up, because this summer we all going up, man. Just stay tuned, man. Don't skip this vlog, man. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, because we got to get the page back growing, y'all. We have not hit 10K yet, and that's been a goal for the longest. Damn, I missed that sound, y'all. I ain't been in nothing fast in a minute, bro. Keep going much, but yeah, man, like I said, hit that subscribe button if you new. If you've been here, y'all leave a comment, man. I know y'all ready for the ZL1 to be back, but like I said, today probably gonna be the last vlog or the last update until it's back, so just stay tuned, man. There's a lot coming, as y'all can see. I told him I'll put gas in his car for taking me, and I just asked him how much should I put in there. I said 30 or 40. He said 40, but I was being cheap, and I gave him $40, and I got my stuff. So I want to see if he's gonna say something. It stopped at 35. He probably think it's still going. He still hit the pump. Damn, they stopped at 35?
They stopped at 35.82. Is that how much you put in there?
Yeah. I said that shit too. You was gonna keep pumping that bitch. And y'all don't even know this is a famous Daytona, y'all. I'm not even gonna say why, but I'm gonna drop a clip in here so y'all can see why it's famous.
20 Trooper 2, we've got eyes on that one, I believe. The red Charger self on the board.
But we not gonna speak too much on that, y'all. Nah, yeah, we just got gas, so we finna hit the road, man. I'm gonna see y'all when we on the highway and when we get to VAT Lab, man. The VAT Lab, other shop, and got like 3 different shops right now. So yeah, this is not the main shop, and it's not the new shop. So it's a whole new shop. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there, man. All right, gang, we done made it. We got the Dirty Daytona. I don't want to show too much of the location because this isn't the official location. This is where my car is at right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all these boxes out of here. Boy finally made it inside the shop. Y'all can see my boy Alex Speedboat. Hellcat right behind me, man. Go subscribe to my boy or follow my boy on TikTok, whatever. But yeah, so we in here like I just said. And yeah, y'all seen what we was doing, y'all. We gotta really just put the seats on. I ain't really show y'all the seat yet, but here's the seat right here. We got the cover, and we got the seat belt. We got the harness bar and the back brake. So me and CJ finna go ahead and install all this. And there's a few more things I want to do while I'm here. I'm not gonna show y'all everything right here yet. I'm gonna wait later in the vlog, but there's a few things I want to do. As y'all can see, I just started taking this off because I had a better idea for that. After looking at that for so long, I got tired of how it looked. So yeah, I got a better idea for that. I don't want to talk too much. We finna go ahead and get this done. CJ already moving the stuff out the inside. Y'all can see there ain't no seats in here at all. But we finna go ahead and put that seat in there. So I'm gonna see y'all when we put the cover on, just so y'all can see what this look like. Or after we go ahead and do all the back shit first. So just stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, we done made some progress. While CJ was putting that bracket in for me, I ended up getting most of the stickers off, y'all. Like I said, I do got a better idea. That's why I'm doing that. Even though that's something small, I just had to get out the way because it was bugging me. But we got the bar in, as y'all can see. That's really the hardest part. Let's see. The hardest bar is in, y'all. I really like how it look. Now, after all of this, all I gotta do is get a rear seat delete, and I gotta get this shit off. But it wasn't no point to do all this today and try to get that off. I just really wanted to get the seat in and get the main shit done. So yeah, y'all can see, like I said, it is a lot to go over. These is the wires for my lights, y'all. Now that we got the battery or the fuse box in here, we can actually, damn, I ain't even want to show y'all that, but fuck it, since I already skipped it, y'all can see what's going on. If y'all know what these plates are, then y'all know. I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna talk about the build a different day. Because yeah, y'all can see the blower isn't in here yet, but I'm gonna get to that later, y'all. I'm gonna get to that later because I want to say all that later. But yeah, now we just got to get the brackets in. CJ already has set them down to where we think I'm want it. So after we get them down, we're gonna put the seat in, get the cover on, and we just gonna go from there, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all and tell y'all about the lights and about the blower and when the car will be ready when we done with this, y'all. Till then, I'm finna get the rest of them stickers off and help CJ put this damn seat in. So I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we get done with that. But I do want to show y'all one thing real quick. My boy Alex, Hellcat is nasty, bro. Another reason why I said fuck it, I'm going with the Kirkies. I made a post and I was talking about it, and he was like, yeah, bro, just do it, bro. The Kirkies ain't that bad. So Alex, if these Kirkies is uncomfortable and bad, I'm on your ass because I listened to you. These look straight. Low-key want to sit in here, but we got all this shit in here, so I ain't gonna get all in your car, man. But yeah, I can't wait to see when this car done. I ain't gonna lie, these two cars is gonna be crazy. This car already crazy, but yeah, these two, we got a lot of smoke to get after this season because a lot of people hating and talking crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we make a little bit more progress with the Z. All right, y'all. So we had an issue, but it looked like hopefully we end up fixing the problem or solving the problem. So if y'all seen my seat, I ended up getting one of the smallest seats. Actually, it is the smallest seat they sell. I ended up getting a 15-inch. And what do we go up to? 18? 20s? Damn, I thought it was like a 15 to like a 19. Oh yeah, damn. So I guess it go all the way up to 22. But yeah, I ended up getting the smallest size. And the brackets I got didn't work. So what CJ doing now is we drilling holes in there. And hopefully we can get it to work that way. And if not, y'all, it look like we're going to have to wait even longer. So we're going to try to get this to work. It look like it will work. So I'm going to just keep y'all updated with that when we done. And then y'all can see I ended up getting all them letters off. And I just got a better idea. I think I want to do something inside the car instead of having it all on the outside. Just because to me it mean a lot, but people don't really understand what it is. And then another thing is, like I said, I just got tired of seeing it. It started to look tacky, so we're going to switch it up. We got rid of that. And yeah, like I mentioned, I didn't want to say nothing about it now. I really wanted to wait to the end of the vlog, but y'all can see the motor is in here, the trans, everything is in here besides the blower. So the only thing we got to do now is really just get that blower in, and the car really will be ready. So we did get an update that the blower did come today. Ed had told me, and the tech actually had said he knew that it came today. So really everything is up from there. As soon as we get that blower on, Ed can take it out, tune it on the street, do whatever he got to do, and then we should be back, y'all. So I just really wanted to give y'all an update because a lot of people been asking, we need an update on the ZL1, where the car at. I even lost hella followers, y'all. I lost so many fucking followers from not being able to post content. So yeah, I just feel like I had to give y'all an update today. Yeah, hopefully we'll have it back soon. Ed said he was aiming for a startup this week, so if we get a startup this week, we should be able to get the car back by next week. But yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all an update once we get these seats in so y'all can see. Y'all drop a comment in the comment section. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these seats, the new seat belt, and the new setup we got going. If you a LT Camaro guy, you know what you just seen. A lot of people might not know what the plates are, but yeah, y'all go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna get back to y'all as soon as we get these holes drilled in so we can get this 15-inch seat in here, y'all. So we finally made progress and got done. We got the seat in here. Shout out to my guy CJ. Definitely appreciate you, brother. Bro, ended up having to drill these in, like I said, to get these to fit right. I sat in there and tested out, y'all. It felt perfect. It do feel a little low, but my boy Alex with Speedboat with the Whipple Hellcat over there, he told me that Ed made him a plate for his Kirkies and it put it like an inch higher. So I'm gonna just ask Ed if he can do that for me in the future if I need it. I might not even do it, y'all, but we did everything besides getting the seat belts wrapped around the harness bar. And I feel like that's something Ed could do. So we're gonna ask Ed if he can do that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, blower was here today. I got back here, so yeah, everything else really, it just matter when we get the car back. Forgot one thing.
We're gonna take that with us.
Okay, just put a hole in it. So then we can just come back. Will I need that when I pick the car up, or I should be straight? For sure. The thing we did forget to install was this back brace, but we needed to drill holes in this, and it might just be best if we just do that another time, because I know Ed did tell me they only be here till 6. It's like 5:40 now, so I think it's just the sign to get up out of here. So yeah, we finna leave the Z here, man. Hopefully I got her back by next week, by Monday. Hopefully he started up tomorrow, the next day, whenever, y'all. I'm really trying to get the car back. I really wanted it before this weekend so I could just pop up to a meet. I really wanted to surprise some people. But if that don't work out, y'all, we might have to wait until next week. Hopefully that be the latest, y'all. Hope it's by next week. But yeah, man, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Y'all let me know if y'all missed the content, man, because I haven't dropped no car content in a whole year. So yeah, man, I hope y'all ready for this comeback, man. It's gonna be one crazy comeback, man. I'm gonna see you on the next one, gang. I'm out.